Hey gardeners, welcome back to the Wormy Garden. In this video we're diving into how to grow sweet, crunchy, colorful bell peppers from seed to harvest. Peppers are a little slower to start but well worth the wait. Whether you're growing in raised beds, large containers, or in the ground, this full guide will walk you through everything you need to grow healthy, high-yielding bell pepper plants. Bell peppers thrive in warm weather and full sun. They're rich in vitamins, beautiful in color, and perfect for snacking, stuffing, or slicing into salads. We'll cover seed starting, transplanting, sunlight, watering, fertilizing, pest control, and how to get those vibrant red, yellow, or orange hues. Stick around for pro tips that can help even beginner gardeners get a bumper crop. Step 1. Seed starting. Start bell pepper seeds indoors 8 to 10 weeks before your last expected frost. Use a seed starting mix and keep them in a warm spot, ideally 75 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit for best germination. A heat mat helps speed things up. Germination can take 7 to 14 days, so be patient. Step 2. Transplanting seedlings. Once your seedlings have at least 2 sets of true leaves, pot them up to larger containers. Begin hardening off 1 to 2 weeks before transplanting. Place them outside a little longer each day. Transplant outdoors once nighttime temps stay above 55 degrees Fahrenheit and soil temps are at least 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 3. Choosing a location and preparing soil. Bell peppers need full sun, which means 6 to 8 hours daily. Plant them in rich, well-draining soil. Before planting, add compost or worm castings and work them into the soil. At transplant time, mix in a balanced organic fertilizer or a slow-release veggie formula. Step 4. Spacing and support. Space plants 18 to 24 inches apart in rows or containers. Install small cages or stakes to support the plant and keep heavy fruit off the ground. Step 5. Watering and mulching. Keep the soil evenly moist, about 1 to 1.5 inches of water per week. Water at the base of the plant to avoid leaf diseases. Avoid letting the soil dry out completely between waterings. Apply mulch to retain moisture and prevent weeds. Step 6. Fertilizing. Feed your bell peppers with compost tea or a balanced organic liquid fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks once flowers appear. Remember, too much nitrogen means lots of leaves but not many peppers, so use a low nitrogen formula for fruiting. Step 7. Pest and disease prevention. Check plants regularly for aphids, spider mites, and cutworms. Use neem oil, insecticidal soap, or try companion planting with basil and marigolds to deter pests. Rotate crops every year to reduce soil-borne issues. Step 8. Flowering and pollination. Peppers are self-pollinating but benefit from airflow and pollinator activity. Give them a gentle shake or brush blooms with a soft paintbrush if you notice poor fruit set. Step 9. Harvesting. Green bell peppers can be harvested once they reach full size and are firm. For red, yellow, or orange peppers, leave them on the plant longer to ripen fully. Harvest with garden scissors to avoid snapping branches. Bell peppers take 60 to 90 days from transplanting to harvest depending on the variety. With a little warmth, care, and patience, you'll be harvesting beautiful, tasty bell peppers all summer long. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, drop a comment below with your favorite pepper dish, and don't forget to subscribe to The Wormy Garden for more garden goodness and vermicomposting tips.